Okay, you guys, let's put some more of this thing together. And you can see, got that much stain and it's starting to look like an actual gun now. Like I said, I got my light gun stock brown in there, and of course the dark brown on the outside, black for the middle. Yep, she's starting to look like a gun again. Or now, not again. It never did look like a damn gun, you idiot. Alright. So, now we're flipping this thing over. And start attaching some of these guys. Got our J3. And I believe he's going to start snapping into there. Hopefully. That's the idea. I think you can wind up with it. There we go. Alright, now we got stuff starting to snap in there. Okay, cool. Let's get all this flush. Okay. And we got this guy, number J17. He snaps right on the end like that. Get in there. Okay. Alright, that feels flush. Now we got our J6, which looks like it goes on there like this. And pop right back out there on me, are you? Let's start with this end. About better luck getting things started. Yeah, there we go. Now things are starting to get in there. Go on, get in there. That's what we find enough for all. Oh, there we go. Got to do a little wiggling to get her in the hole. Still not quite. There we go. How about this one? Not quite yet. There we go. Okay. There we go. Alright, so our next piece will be this F5. And need to start putting pieces in here. Starting with our A11. Looks like he goes right in here. Okay. And we got an A5. Looks like he goes into here. Come on, get in there. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Alright. We got an A12. He goes into here. And we got these 4 A22s. Go around this whole perimeter here. Okay. Give me another A22. Give me one that fits. There we go. Another A22. One more. One more for the road. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more. One of these days my wife's going to be singing that song. Pretty sure. Alright, now this, okay, it's going to go into the front here. Okay. Oh, he's going to go into here, so we've got to get these guys started. That one went in. Oh, that one popped back out. Wait a minute, hang on a second. Yeah, let's make sure we're not popping shit out if we're popping shit in. You know, we got this guy, he needs to get flusher. There we go. Okay. Everything's nice and flush. Yep. Okay. I already installed the spring on this piece of wood because it was kind of tight and tough to mess with, and I didn't want to waste filming time. Take our A12, goes in this hole right here. Get into the mechanical stuff. Got a spring. And he looks like he goes, shoot, I put it in the wrong side. Damn it. He goes in this way. Yeah, he does. 'Cause that piece has to lay like that. And then we install him into this into there. Just trying to come out while I'm pushing him in. Alright. Okay. Got our spring. Flip this boy over. Get the next side. Okay, now we're going to take this A6. He looks like he's, what? Oh, into these slots right here? Well, that's what it looks like. Yeah, right in front of that, behind that. Yeah. Show the middle one going in. Alright, let's try this. Let's try this again. Okay, this one hole isn't letting me start. There we go. Now we start to get in there. Alright. Okay. I think that's right. This 8.5's trying to come back out on me. Shit. What'd I do? Alright, stay there. And we've got our J11. Our J7. It's this guy right here, right? Yeah. Now previously it shows you that you have to wax it. I previously already waxed the top of that. This guy's going to go, this don't make a lot of sense. Let's try to get these guys started here. Oop, don't get one started too much for the next one. Once you get down the last one, you can't get it in. pop the spring out. I don't think we're flush right here yet. Are we? Oh, no. You're getting there. You stay in there. That one didn't go down flush. Oh, that's because this guy isn't flush. Alright. Okay. Everybody's in there where they belong. And now we've got our J11. He goes right on there. I'm going to pop that guy back out, didn't I? There you go. Get back in there. Okay, there we go. Well, there's where we're at so far. Got a couple screws. Wait a minute. Some screws go in what holes? Those don't make any sense. Oh, I forgot J1. There's a J1 that goes on top of all of that. Alright. Well, I'll get the J1 later. That's right. J1. So the piece looks like this. Slams onto there and then gets screwed on. So, but basically, that's where we're at right now. That's what we got going on. That's it. Starting to look more and more like a gun. Can't wait to get her finished and play with it. Alright, you guys. The old man's out of here. And like I always say, I'm off to do some other stupid shit. Okay? Alright. Bye.